Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicweb.com. Making this a small video as a weekly recap. Today is Friday night, so let's get started here. The week started on the 24th, January 24th. So this is the first one, pound yen. Here's the entry here, and for 85 pips, sell order here, SL break. I move to break even plus. Right, this is my entry here on the left hand side highlighted, and this is the setup. Yellow is below the black, and this indicates all the way up, turning to the downside, and blue candle turning red. And I open the trade here. My SL is always 25 pip right above this high, and this is the one. This is the one I made. 100 plus pip here, and this is 85 pip here on the 24th. Another one on the 24th is Euro Aussie, and it was to the long side, 120 pip. This was an entry, this was an entry, this was an entry, this was an entry. This system gives you so many opportunities, so many entries. This was earlier last week. This was the short trade here. This was an entry, this was an entry. The short entries, long entries, very, very clear. And now on the 24th, look at that, was bullish, came down here below the wave, turned bearish, entry and 65 pip CAD yen. And then pound franc, you can see that beautiful entry here, entry here, entry here, entry here. All of this was taken, and then this is the one with 75 pip. And on the 25, this is the only one, the Euro USD, it became bearish. This was the entry, and then this was the entry. This was not touching the yellow, so was a shaky entry. And then this is the one perfect battle book entry, not much, but 50 pip. And then on the 26th, again, so you can see how beautiful these entries are. This was the entry, and this is the entry. So I took this one here. And some of these entries were taken, and then SL got hit, and then I got another entry, and then went down. If I have the analysis already that this thing is going to go down or go up, it doesn't matter if my SL hit. If I get entries again and again, and I'll just keep taking them, because the analysis tells you that if this thing is going to go up, and then sometime it wobbles before I make the move. So if you get caught in the wobble, that's okay. Find another entry and then just make that entry, and you get it. Euro Aussie, you can see that this was an entry, and there was like 2 days worth of trade. This was while this was alive, and the next day here I took that entry as well. Maybe you're gonna see that trade later on. Right there. See that? This one. Okay. So there was like another account, another computer. So I had this one as long as it was going down, and then I took this one as well. On the 26th, Euro New Zealand, also here. The Euro was getting weaker, so all Euro pairs were going down. And on the 26th, Euro USD, like I said, this was the trade, and then this is the one on the 26th. This was on the 25th or 24th, right? I think that was on the last week. And this is the one on the 26th, this entry. Right here, the sell order, right? Okay, here on the 26th, pound newsy to the upside for 130 pip. I had one of these entries. I don't know if this one or this one, and I got out. I lost maybe 6-7 pips, something like that, and then took this one, and boom, I held it for a couple of days, 2 days worth. This is the one, and then this is the one. All right, so this entry was on the 26th, and I closed this on basically on 27th, but I have the date on the 26th because the entry was on 26th. Excuse me. This is also on the, the entry was on the 26th, but I closed on the 27th. This is Aussie USD for 130 pip. And that was before the pound newsy for 130 pip as well. Right? Okay, now on the 28th, you can see here Aussie USD, it was the news or something, and then it went up, came down, and then start to go up here, 110 pip on the 28th on Friday. Pound Aussie as well, because this is the Aussie weakness showing big time. and this thing went up for 115 pip as well. And this is pound franc 20 minute for 75 pip here. For a couple of days worth. This was the entry on the 27th, close on 28th, on Friday. So these are almost like 15 trades, and you can see so many. There are a couple of them. I had to take like 2 entries. The first entry, for example, this one, I got out on a break even though it was here. I moved my SL a little bit higher, and then boom, it just hit it. And then the thing is that again, I got an entry here, and I took this one and held it. If not, then if it wouldn't be Friday, these were the entry as well. This is the perfect entry here. So this system is, and then this is the short entry. You can see here how big the trade was, right? So this is how the system works, and that's what it is. So if you like what you saw, you can go on my website and subscribe. And today is Friday night, so you got Saturday, Sunday. Get the system, prepare the charts, get ready, and start trading from Monday. Okay, I do have a Telegram where I send out the signals, not signal really, but the heads up about the setup. That is not, if I see a setup is about to build or building, then I just put there. And then charts, with my analysis, 40-minute chart analysis. Or for example, let me see if I have it here. US dollar index, for example, this is a 40-minute chart. I made it on the 25th saying that this thing is gonna go. I made 2 charts. One was like Girdley is gonna drop. And then this one, I said, actually, I made these charts before FOMC. Big news, right? So news can be good or bad. And just in case, you have to be prepared for both sides. So I made this Girdley chart saying that if the news is bad for USD, it's gonna drop. And if the news is good, it's gonna go up there, and the Girdley pattern will be failed, and it will turn into a crab pattern. That's what usually happens. And according to obviously, if this thing is gonna go up, US dollar gonna get strong, and Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, New USD, they will go down. And you saw me like Euro USD, couple of trades, right? Pound USD, no, not Pound USD, Aussie USD, big trade to the downside, right? Because of this went up. Let me show you what happened to this chart. You see that how exactly it went up, right? So now the pattern is finished, and after it finishes, this is what's supposed to happen. So let's see if that happens, and then USD start dropping again. So the USD got stronger last week and gave me very, very nice trades. Similarly, I have charts made like almost everything. For example, let me for example, this no, this is the one. This is the USD. Okay, this is Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, and I said 4 here. And obviously, when pound is going to drop, pound index, right? So pound is going to get weaker, and all pound pair will be dropping. And I had so many, almost 6, 7 pound pairs short last week just because of this, because it came down exactly the way I said that it will. See that? Straight from 3 to 4. Now, then I said that, maybe it's going to go from wave 4 to 5. And so far we are at this. You see that? Start to rise here, halfway already. And then the Friday comes. So these studies I have, and according to that, I give my heads up to my subscribers that, this pair is going to go up and this currency is going to get weaker. And if that happens, we have our system, Magic Ivy system, to take the setup as well as the alarm. When the setup is ready, the alarm start beeping. So we can just not watch all charts all the time. And then when the alarm beeps, only then we come and take the trade. So this is how the last week, I would say, last week, right, or this week ended. 15 trades, big ones. And some entries are still open. They were like 20, 25, 30 pips. I don't even make the chart unless it is more than 50 pips. So until next week, we'll see if I can close when the market opens up on Monday. If they move a little bit more, 60, 70, 80 pip, then I'll close them. So this is it for now. Like I said, if you want to be a part of it, and go on my website, myforexmagicweb.com. By the way, I'm going to change the name of my website, my YouTube channel, and all of that. Okay. I don't want this name magic inside anymore. Okay. So just my son said, well, change the name. I says, okay, so he's gonna suggest me the name and then I'm gonna change it. Anyway, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.